In this video we're going to take a introductory look at the contract management features in Standard Time, specifically option year contracts and contract mods. This is actually the first of a three-part series on contract management, and just a very brief introduction. So if you're familiar with option year funding and contract mods, you are probably a prime contractor or subcontractor for U.S. government contracts, DoD, etc. So let's go ahead and take a look at this and see how Standard Time supports those contracts directly. The place we'll start is to go to the Tools menu and then choose Projects. And we're going to click on a project over on the left-hand side. The very first thing you'll want to make sure of is that the billing method has option year rates chosen for the drop-down. The next thing we'll do is go to the Tools menu here, choose Option Year Funding. That takes us to this page. Now this hierarchy may be familiar to you if you've handled option year contracts and contract mods. Essentially what we've got at the top level, right below the project, is the option year. And you see a few more of those below at the bottom here. Open those up. So underneath the option year are contract mods, and you see these down below it as well. The contract mod specifies all of the employees that will work on the contract, the period of performance that they will work, and the labor rates. It also specifies the other direct cost, which you see down below here. So as I click on an employee on one of these contract mods, you see the period of performance here. Then you see the labor rate and the hours funded. The hours used comes from the timesheet, which gives us the hours remaining, and the labor funded actually comes by multiplying the labor rate by the hours funded. The labor used comes from the timesheet, again, which gives us the labor remaining. All of these values you see here will roll up or total up at the contract mod level, and then at the option year, and then at the project level. So all the employees that are assigned to this contract mod will be specified here, specify their labor rate and hours funded. We also have other direct costs, which are other revenues to this project, which are specified here. They will also roll up to the contract mod level. So as we examine these fields at the bottom of the contract mod, we see that these are summations or totals from all of the employee labor assignments and ODCs below. Same thing is true when we look at the option year level here. You see the same fields. Those again are totaled up from all the mods and all of the employee labor assignments and all of the ODCs below. So you can see at a glance how much time is funded and the labor amounts and the ODCs for all the mods and all the employees and all the ODCs. Same thing is true when you go all the way up to the project level. You can see the same fields there. So this is a very brief look at the hierarchy. You can simply build out this hierarchy, specify all of your employees, put the billing rates in. Standard Time will use those rates each time an employee puts time into the timesheet. So you will see total labor costs compared with the contract mods where they are specified. So again, just a very brief overview at this hierarchy. There will be other videos that will examine these in more detail. Let's go ahead and click back on the timesheet and show you how we got here again. So again, we go to the Tools menu, choose Projects. We'll click on a project, make sure that the billing method has by option year rates chosen. Go to the Tools menu, choose Option Year Funding, and that takes us to this page.